Hello and welcome to my second English class video as part of my Inclusive Learning Initiative. Today we will be focusing on adjectives. There are three types of adjectives that we are going to be focusing on today. These are descriptive adjectives, comparative adjectives, and superlative adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is one of the four main word classes. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives modify the features or qualities of something. The sun is big. Here we can see that the word big is describing the sun. Therefore, the adjective in this sentence is big. An ant is small. Here we can see that the word small describes the size of the ant. Therefore, the adjective in this sentence is small. Rats have longer tails than mice. Here we can see that the word longer compares the size of the rat's tails to the mice. Therefore, the adjective in this sentence is longer. He has the most beautiful handwriting. In this sentence, we can see that most beautiful describes the handwriting. Therefore, the adjective in this sentence is most beautiful. On the right-hand side, you can see a table of different adjectives, including fast, huge, better, and more ugly. Descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives describe a noun or a pronoun. They add more information to a sentence and make sentences more interesting to read. The car is fast. Here we can see that the word fast describes the speed of the car. Therefore, the adjective in this sentence is fast. Disneyland is magical. In this sentence, we can see the word magical is describing Disneyland. Therefore, the descriptive adjective in this sentence is magical. Monkeys have long tails. Here, we can see that the word long describes the length of the monkey's tails. So, the descriptive adjective in this sentence is long. He has beautiful handwriting. In this sentence, we can see that the word beautiful describes the handwriting of the person. Therefore, the descriptive adjective in this sentence is beautiful. Again, on the right-hand side, you can see a list of descriptive adjectives, including little, good, and old. Comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives compare the similarities or differences between two things. They can begin in more or less or can end in er. Sam is taller than Joe. In this sentence, we can see that the height of Sam and Joe is being compared. Therefore, the comparative adjective in this sentence is taller. The moon is closer than the sun. Here we can see that the distance of the moon is being compared to the distance of the sun. Therefore, we can see that the comparative adjective in this sentence is closer. Kate is happier than Sophie. In this sentence, we can see that the happiness of Kate and Sophie is being compared. Therefore, the comparative adjective in this sentence is happier. You are more grateful than James. In this sentence, we can see that the gratefulness between yourself and James is being compared. Therefore, the comparative adjective in this sentence is more grateful. On the right-hand side, you can see a table of different comparative adjectives, including colder, funnier, braver, and more beautiful. Superlative adjectives. Superlative adjectives describe the highest or lowest limit of something. They can begin with most or least or end in est. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on the planet. In this sentence, we can see that the speed of the cheetahs are being described as a top limit by using the word fastest. Therefore, fastest is the superlative adjective in this sentence. Louis received the best score in the class. In this sentence, we can see that the word best describes the highest score in the class. Therefore, best is the superlative adjective in this sentence. Rosie was the tallest in her class. In this sentence, we can see that Rosie is the tallest, which describes the highest limit of height in her class. Therefore, tallest is the superlative adjective. Monty is the most wonderful dog. In this sentence, we can see that most wonderful describes the highest limit of wonderfulness through the use of most. Therefore, most wonderful is the superlative adjective. On the right-hand side, you will see a table of different superlative adjectives. Here, they are the highest or lowest limit of something. For example, the biggest, the driest, the hardest, or the least modern. Adjectives quiz. In this quiz, we will match the sentence with the type of adjective that it contains. Caitlin has longer hair than Jess. In this sentence, we can see that the length of Caitlin and Jess's hair is being compared by the word longer. Therefore, longer is a comparative adjective. Caitlin has long hair. In this sentence, we can see that Caitlin's length of hair is being described by the word long. Therefore, long is a descriptive adjective. Caitlin has the longest hair in her class. In this sentence, we can see that the word longest shows the highest limit of the hair in Caitlin's class. Therefore, longest is a superlative adjective. Thank you for watching the English class presentation on adjectives as part of the Inclusive Learning Initiative.